Libra. This is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Guys, please note this is a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone. If it doesn't resonate with you, please check out the other placements. And if even those don't resonate with you, please check out some other tarot readers. Please refrain from commenting anything negative. Thank you. Libra, we got your first card, which is the Knight of Wands. I feel someone wants to communicate with you. Yeah, see, you've got the Eight of Wands as well. Definite communication coming in. Okay, you've got the Six of Swords and the King of Swords. Oopsie. I see a lot of moving on happening over here, Libra. Moving on when it comes to physically, either you're relocating or you're moving on from some events mentally, emotionally. I feel for some of you it is both physical and emotional because Six of Swords is here as well. Okay, Libra, I think I know what this is all about. Let's see the last card. Yeah. So Libra, the thing is, thing over here is, probably you were with somebody who, for some reason, could not be with you, or you could not be with them, or there was some kind of arguments or disagreements and something unpleasant that took place between you and somebody else, which resulted in you moving on. But I think they want to communicate with you. They feel regret. They feel as if they let go of the right person while clinging on to the wrong one. And they want to communicate with you. They want to tell you how much they miss you. But Libra, what I see is you are moving on. You're not going to be paying any heed to this communication. Even if this person wants to talk it out with you, you'll be like, meh, fine, whatever. But see, I'll hear you out, but I don't think I can, entertain anything else more than this. So I feel Libra with a great difficulty. After a really long time, you've got your head and heart um, agreeing with each other. And now you're moving towards your life goals, things that were your priority at one point in time, but then this relationship came in the way and messed up everything, threw you off balance. Some of you could be leaving the town, city, locality, country, and moving on to other places to start afresh, to, probably you've got some kind of job offers from other cities, countries, and you want to pursue them. And in the past, you always weighed every other priority against love and relationship, and that did not turn out to be very beneficial. So, I feel Libra now you're taking decisions that truly count and not because somebody else might just get hurt if you do certain things. Sometimes we are so afraid of hurting our partner that we sideline our own ambitions and dreams just so that we don't upset them, and which is unfair because they wouldn't do that for us. So yeah, Libra, somebody is really wanting to communicate with you. They realize that the ending that took place shouldn't have taken place, but I think it's been a beneficial move for you. Whatever happened, even though it was really painful, it has benefited you, Libra, and it will be benefiting you actually because it pushed you to move out of your comfort zone and resume the chase, the chase that you were in when you were wanted to achieve certain goals, certain dreams. And some of you might be getting some good news regarding health, work, career. What about romantic angle for Libra? Any romance coming in? Anybody trying to communicate? Yeah, I think this past person only will communicate with you. At least even if you don't reply to them or take their calls, the very fact that they've come back and they are sad about what happened will give you some kind of closure, Libra, and it'll help you move on faster. Some of you could be beginning your spiritual journey. Some of you could have a spiritual master, a guru who is guiding you and it's helping you heal. If it's not the case, then these are the energies of the past person that clearly show how stuck up and orthodox and rigid they were in their outlook. Probably that is why there were so many disagreements because Libra, as a sign, you are quite flexible. Yeah, that see now these are your energies. You've become guarded. You're trying to um, pay attention to the things that have a greater return value rather than investing emotionally into someone who isn't even sure about you. Yeah, something really did end. It could be a Scorpio that you were involved with. There was a horrible tower moment, and even when this person communicates with you, you'll know that this person is a disaster waiting to happen. So just be mindful of that, beware, Libra. And even if you do give this person another chance, please think it through. Yeah, well, I think you're not going to give them another chance. You're just going to move on and concentrate on your life, on your career, on your goals. Love is not your priority anymore, Libra. Let's see some oracle messages. These may not be directly related to the tarot. Meditation brings answers. You don't have to meditate for 4 hours. Even just like 3 minutes per day is also great. More than that is best. The worst is now behind you, and positive new experiences are on the horizon. Somebody else also got these two cards, just like this, same positioning. Some other sign. Communication is key, new moon in Gemini. Wow, you've got the full moon in Libra. That is amazing. A win win outcome is forecast. I love when this happens, guys. Really. This is a confirmation that the times to come are going to be ones that are going to truly liberate you and push you towards your life's calling. You and your loved ones are safe. So you've got two new moons and one full moon, two new beginnings and one major ending. Endings always lead to beginnings, Libra, so never be scared of an ending. Wow. You're a part of a team of souls. Call in support, guys. If you need any help, don't shy away from it. Um, Let your supporters, loved ones know that you want help and see how they come and lend you a hand. Say yes to change and adventure. Yeah, Libra, sometimes we need to get out of our comfort zone, which you are by moving to new places, new cities, new countries, new localities. You are stepping out of your comfort zone, which is in turn going to be really beneficial for you. You're on the right track, Libra. I do whatever it takes to get closer to consciousness. Consciousness. Why am I fumbling so much? I'll read that again. I do whatever it takes to get closer to consciousness. You've got the meditation card as well, which is, I guess, suggesting you to look within. When I lean towards love, I am led. Yeah, bring love into the situation. Do everything with love, Libra. Even if it is cooking, painting, gardening, being with your animals, just do it with love because at the end of the day, love is the only answer, Libra. I hope this reading resonated with you. If you liked it, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.